Rubbing. You're like Hulk. You're like Hulk smash.
There we go, that's progress. Alright, hit stop. At this point, we're going to start ripping this off and see what kind of condition this is actually in. I'm obligated legally to rip this building down before I can get the cabin done or finished. Technically, they told me like a third of the way done. So, let's start ripping things apart.
You okay? You okay?
Pay attention.
I know. Oh, it's funny.
So there we go. I guess that's the start of it. Then I keep ripping it apart from there. Alright, let's see if I can fall through this second story. It's making a lot of really bad noises. Whoa. Whoa! Woo! Okay, well that was scary. The second story just collapsed up from underneath me. We're gonna call that a wrap so my camera person can come help me. Okay, John, stop. Well, that was certainly scary. I actually expected this to hold. And as you can see, it's definitely not going to. The entire back wall is utterly rotted out. The whole thing is moving right now. So we're going to end the camera work for a bit until we get it a little further along, unless I think there's something I can do fun. Thanks, guys. Alright, let's try this creepy selfie stick stuff. Well, we're up here. We got through the roof, kicked it through. We're currently standing on what is left of a very shaky floor. And we've got the other side out. And there we are. Right now is pretty sketchy, so we're not going to be doing any video until I get back down to a more grounded sense. But thanks everybody, and let's keep moving. By the way, this is just about 3 hours worth of work at this point. Keep rolling.
I already hit the red dot. What's that? What is it?
Uh-oh.
What is it?
Alright, hit stop. Alright, let's see if this triangle will come off in here now. Whoa.
Oh.
Okay. That piece was bugging me. Kill camera. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
So John ended up John ended up getting this set for his birthday and wanted to show you guys. He says he really likes it and was awesome. Shout out to my little sister, Amy, who got it for him for his birthday. It's one of the old school jump on rocket things. Go for it. Uh-oh. Well, I guess that one we're gonna have to go hunting for. Did you find it? Yeah. Alright. So this thing's really cool. Apparently they figured out some extra basketballs. A screw-on clamp. It all comes back apart. It's all screwed together. This is actually foam. And these things are made out of the same material as like woggles. Or swim noodles. Or whatever you guys want to call them. So this is foam. And this piece underneath here unscrews also right here. So the whole thing breaks down, goes back together. Hold up. And go for it.
They're in there.
Oh, come on. Well, now I can get down off this death trap. All right. Cool. So there we go. We're pretty much done for this weekend at this point. We're going to try and snap off this last piece. These walls here, this one and the other one, are actually in really good condition. So we're going to slowly break them down. I'm going to see if I can get the 2 sheets of plywood off here. That's it for the fun stuff this weekend. So thanks, guys. We're going to get back to building the cabin hopefully next weekend.